How to create group chat in Instagram. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Open Instagram and log in to your account. Once you do that, click on the messaging icon at the top right of the screen. Click on the right new message icon at the top right of the screen. Select the people you want to add to your group. Once you do that, click on the blue text at the top right of the screen that says chat. Write your first message in the chat in order to create the group. Once you do that, the group will be created. And that's it. That's how to create group chat in Instagram. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.